It always seems to happen at the worst possible time. You're trying to leave for work or get the kids out the door, and suddenly your garage door won't open. Or worse, it won't close. It's loud, it's uneven, or it just stops halfway like it's given up. That's when Emergency Garage Door Repair Salt Lake City stops being a search and starts being something you need right now. Because this isn't just about convenience. Your garage door is security, it's access, it's part of your daily routine, and when it fails, everything feels off. A lot of times the issue isn't random, it's been building for a while. Maybe the opener has been hesitating, making noise, or not responding the way it used to. That's usually a sign it's time to look into garage door opener installation Salt Lake City before it completely gives out. A new opener doesn't just fix the problem, it makes everything smoother, quieter, and more reliable every single day. Other times, it's more serious. A snapped spring can bring everything to a halt instantly. The door becomes heavy, unsafe, and nearly impossible to move. That's where a proper garage door spring replacement in Salt Lake City matters. This isn't a quick fix situation. This is about getting the right tension, the right balance, and making sure your door operates safely again. And then there are those moments where you start to realize maybe it's not just one part. Maybe the whole system is worn out. If your door is outdated, noisy, or constantly needing repairs, getting a new garage door quote in Salt Lake City can actually save you money and headaches in the long run. A new door brings better insulation, better security, and a cleaner look for your home. When it comes to a full upgrade, garage door installation in Salt Lake City is about more than just putting in a new door. It's about precision, proper alignment, making sure every component from tracks to springs to opener is working together the way it should. And the truth is, most garage door problems don't fix themselves. They get worse, louder, more expensive, and usually more inconvenient. So when something feels off, or when your garage door just stops working altogether, it's not the time to wait and see what happens. It's the time to get it handled quickly, safely, and the right way the first time. Because once it's fixed, everything goes back to normal. And that's exactly how it should be. Call us right now so we can help close the door on stress for you. 385-200-9203.